So these are 2 pieces of lint from the dryer. I'm all about recycling, so we're gonna do it. Okay, for this one we're gonna mix the matte Mod Podge with some water. It could be 50-50. I really didn't measure. As long as it's really goopy. Press down like this. Out. This, out. Ah! And then until you cover the whole thing. So now it's the time to add your random leaves. Sorry. You can put the other one on top. As best you can. We go back and do the same thing. Now you can use anything. Okay, now that it's dry, we're gonna unstick it with the spatula. So just do this. Oh, see? It came out. I'm gonna use some eyeshadow to highlight our paper. So you can see all the highlights. I think that's enough. Looks beautiful. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it. So I don't have the background paper yet, but I'm going to use this as an example. Sit this in the middle and then place your picture or image in the middle of that. So that's how you can use it as a background.